guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to Madeira, one of the most beautiful islands in Atlantic. Let's go.
Tepit and I decided to visit Madeira for a week. A friend of mine, Amir Abedzadeh, who is a football player in Maritimo and lives in Madeira, always said that Madeira is a wonderful place with a beautiful landscape. Meanwhile, we found a very cheap flight from Porto to Madeira, so we decided to travel and explore the island, which is located in the middle of Atlantic Ocean. Madeira Airport is located on the eastern part of the island, near the city of Funchal, the capital of Madeira. The airport was renamed Cristiano Ronaldo Madeira International Airport in 2017 in honor of the renowned Portuguese footballer Cristiano Ronaldo, who is originally from Madeira.
Finally we landed.
Taking a Madeira airport taxi is the quickest and most convenient way to get into the city center of Funchal, as it takes just 20 minutes and costs around €30. But the cheapest way to get from the airport to Funchal is by taking the public bus. We took a bus to Funchal for €5 per person. Our hotel was located in São Martinho district. The bus dropped us off at the 15th station, and we had to walk for around 3 minutes to get to the hotel. We reserved a room with a balcony that overlooks the sea, allowing us to appreciate the stunning views of the ocean. It's the first night in Madeira. Although it's January, the weather is perfect. We just took a shower in the hotel and we were starving, so we decided to go to a restaurant. Cheers to everybody. In Madeira, the rainy season typically occurs during the winter months, from November to February. During this period, the island experiences more frequent and heavier rainfall. The second day in Madeira, we had to remain at the hotel until the evening, waiting for the rain to cease. But please order a latte for me. Look where we are in the world. I can't believe, in the middle of Atlantic Ocean. The movement of cruise ships in Madeira is quite intense. During the high season, it is common for several ships to arrive and depart from the port of Funchal every day, attracting tourists to discover the beauties of the island. Ships to Madeira Island dock along a long quay at the harbor, located at just 20-minute walking distance from downtown. In 2022, the cruise port reported a record year by handling 499 ship calls. Madeira annually hosts an average of 1.6 million tourists arriving by plane and 533,000 by cruise ships. During the third day of our stay in Madeira, we visited the football stadium to attend a Maritimo football match. The stadium had a seating capacity of 11,000 and was located in Funchal.
Eu vim no Deirão, muito longe, tá? Próximo.
Where we just came back from the stadium and we watched the football match of Maritimo and we are too tired, we're getting back to the hotel. We just wanted to have a coffee before. Everything is so affordable in this city. We are having a latte and a espresso and one piece of cake, like €6. On the fourth day in Madeira, we decided to explore the CR7 museum located in Funchal. Cristiano Ronaldo was born in 1985 in Funchal. He was raised on the island of Madeira and began his football career at a local club called Andorinha before moving to Sporting Lisbon. Ronaldo owns a 7-story mansion in Funchal Harbor. Although he is based in Saudi Arabia for now, his Madeira mansion will surely be his holiday home. Above the museum is a hotel, built in partnership between Ronaldo and the Pestana Group. Visitors to the museum can see a wide range of exhibits, including Ronaldo's football boots, jerseys, medals, awards, and other personal items.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
What I like the most about Madeira is the weather. It's so cool, guys.
What I love about Madeira is that there is no traffic. It's always so chill and almost everybody speaks English. I didn't see that in Porto or Lisbon. On our 5th day in Madeira, we visited Madeira Forum for some shopping and had lunch at the shopping mall's food court.
Today we have come to the biggest shopping mall in Madeira. On the 6th day, we decided to explore the city center of Funchal. We visited some tourist attractions, we went to Santa Catarina Park, and we enjoyed a leisurely walk in the Funchal waterfront. Foods and restaurants are quite affordable in Madeira. It's almost a week that we are here and every day we tried a different restaurant, but none of them exceeded 50 euros for 2 people. Guys, we are leaving Madeira. You can't believe how wonderful this island is.